Let me show you how to activate the service diagnostic mode on the Maytag Centennial washer made by Whirlpool. Make sure that the washer is connected to the wall outlet. Set the cycle selector knob on this position. Perform the following sequence of movement using the cycle selector knob. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. When all the lights are on, except for the lid lock light, the washer is on the diagnostic test mode. From here you could select the automatic test mode, the manual test mode, the fault code display mode, or the calibration mode. I will show you on the next videos how to set the different modes.